You know what truly makes a woman think about you when you're not around? It's not your looks, your money, or even how many times you text her good morning like a desperate puppy. In fact, if you're doing that, she's probably rolling her eyes or feeling annoyed, while another guy who barely texts her is occupying all that mental space in her mind. The truth is, women aren't wired to miss guys based solely on superficial things. They miss how you make them feel, the emotional connection you build, and the subtle signals you send that keep her curiosity alive. Today, I'm going to teach you how to flip the script so you become that guy she can't stop thinking about, even when she swears she's too busy with her life. This isn't about manipulation or playing mind games. It's about understanding human psychology and attraction on a deep level. It's about creating an emotional and mental space that keeps you top of mind without needing to chase or beg for her attention. Welcome to the channel. Now, here's the truth. Making a woman miss you isn't about tricking her or using gimmicks. It's about triggering her natural curiosity, her emotional attachment, and that little voice in her head that whispers, "Why isn't he chasing me?" So, in this comprehensive guide, I'm breaking down 5 proven attraction triggers that will make her feel your absence so intensely that she'll be chasing after you before you even think about chasing her. Let's get into it. 1. Build emotional grips. The first and most fundamental step is to build emotional grips. Here's the truth. People don't genuinely miss each other for superficial reasons. They miss how someone makes them feel. Think about it. If all you do is have surface-level conversations, what are you up to? Texts, memes, or small talk? There's nothing substantial for her to hold on to when you're not around. Your goal is to create emotional hooks, small, meaningful signals or memories that stay with her long after you're gone. These could be inside jokes only the two of you understand, a nickname that's special, or a moment where you understood her better than she understood herself. Maybe you noticed something she never told anyone, or you made her laugh in a way she'll never forget. These are what I call mental souvenirs, little tokens of your connection that her subconscious keeps replaying. Every time she hears that song you played, uses that phrase you said, or visits that place you took her, she's transported back into the emotional space you created. And here's the beauty. It doesn't have to be grand gestures. It's about consistency and subtlety. It could be the way you look at her while she's talking, the teasing smile you give her, or the way you make her feel genuinely seen and understood. Once she starts associating those feelings with you, your absence won't just be silence. It will feel like a void that's missing something vital. Women are wired to seek emotional fulfillment, and if you can leave her with a sense that something important is missing when you're not around, she'll crave that feeling again and again. 2. Spark curiosity, then disappear. The second powerful trigger is to give her a taste of your presence, enough to excite her, then pull back and disappear for a while. This is where most men go wrong. They either give her nothing and expect her to chase, or they give her everything all at once and wonder why her interest wanes. There's a sweet spot, an art to this approach. Think of it like your favorite meal. If you ate it every day, it wouldn't be special anymore. The craving comes from the anticipation and the scarcity. When you spend quality time with her, be fully present, make her laugh, share something meaningful, give her deep eye contact, but then after that, step back, let the dust settle. Why does this work? Because of dopamine, the chemical in your brain responsible for pleasure and motivation. When you give her a rush of positive emotions, her brain releases dopamine. But when you suddenly withdraw that stimulus, her brain interprets it as a drop in pleasure and starts seeking the source, the excitement, the connection, you. This creates a craving. She starts replaying your last interaction, checking her phone obsessively, or thinking about you when she's doing other things. She begins to associate that feeling of anticipation and excitement with you, making her want to see you again, to feel that high. The key here is to be strategic. Don't ghost her. Just create a healthy, controlled absence that makes her miss you without feeling ignored or pushed away. Share enough to spark her interest, then let her wonder and anticipate your next move. 3. Create a life she'll long for. The third attraction trigger is to focus on building a life that's worth missing. This is about creating an exciting, purpose-driven lifestyle that women naturally find irresistible. If your life revolves around Netflix, scrolling Instagram, and waiting for her texts, don't expect her to feel urgent about being part of it. Women miss men who pull them into a richer, more fulfilling reality, a man with challenges, purpose, and movement. That could be building a business, hitting the gym consistently, learning new skills, traveling, or cultivating meaningful social connections. When she sees you actively engaging in these pursuits, things that light you up and add value to your life, she perceives you as someone who has a compelling, independent world of his own. This shifts the dynamic entirely. She begins to realize she's stepping into a life that already has momentum, one that doesn't revolve solely around her. You're not waiting around for her to fill your day. Instead, she's curious about what you're doing and what's next. This is where status and lifestyle come into play. Not in a flashy, superficial way, but in the way you carry yourself with purpose and direction. A man on a mission is magnetic because he exudes confidence, ambition, and fulfillment. Imagine two guys she's talking to. The first guy, always available, always texting, mostly talking about what he watched on Netflix or how bored he's been. When he's not texting her, he's scrolling TikTok, waiting for her to reply. He's reactive, passive, and predictable. The second guy, he's harder to catch because he's busy with his own projects, goals, and passions. Mondays are for the gym, Tuesdays are for working late on a passion project. Thursdays are for social outings with friends. When they connect, he's got new stories, fresh energy, and an exciting life that she wants to be part of. Who do you think she'll miss more? The answer is obvious. The second guy. Not because he's playing games, because his life is worth missing. When you're moving forward with purpose, women want to be part of that momentum. They want to be around someone who's creating something meaningful, not just waiting around for her. 4. The influence of intentional distance. The fourth trigger is the strategic use of absence. Many men sabotage their chances by being overly available, answering every message instantly, always being ready to hang out, or constantly texting her. This creates a sense of entitlement and diminishes her appreciation for your presence. Human psychology is wired to value scarcity. Think about your last drive. Did you notice every detail of the scenery when you took the same route every day? Probably not. But if you took a different route for a week and then returned, suddenly all those little details stood out. That's how attraction works. When you're always present and immediately responsive, she stops noticing your value. Your time becomes just another commodity she takes for granted. But when you create strategic absences, disappear for a little while, not to punish or ghost her, but to remind her that you have a life beyond her, the dynamic shifts. This approach signals that you're a man with priorities, commitments, and passions. It shows that she has to earn her place in your world. Don't reply to every message instantly. Have hobbies, goals, and social commitments that keep you busy. When you're naturally unavailable, her curiosity spikes. She'll start wondering, what is he doing? Who is he with? Why isn't he chasing me like other guys? That slight sense of uncertainty and the fear of missing out create a powerful desire to reconnect. 5. Preserve the element of mystery. The fifth and final trigger is maintaining some mystery. One of the fastest ways to kill attraction is to let her feel like she has you figured out early on. If she knows exactly where you are, what you're doing, who you're with, and what you're going to say next, you become predictable, a predictable movie that she can turn off at any moment. Women are naturally drawn to mystery because curiosity is addictive. It's human nature to want to solve puzzles. The man she can't fully read becomes the man she can't stop thinking about. This doesn't mean being shady or hiding everything. It's about keeping some layers to yourself, letting her peel back the onion gradually. Don't post your entire life on social media. Have hobbies or ambitions that you only mention in fragments. Hint at exciting projects or adventures without revealing every detail. If you tell her everything early on, what's left to discover? Relationships thrive on unfolding stories, each layer revealing something new. Drop breadcrumbs instead of full chapters. Tell a story, but leave the ending open. Mention plans, but don't give her the full itinerary. Let her connect the dots herself. Every unanswered question, every mystery you leave in her mind becomes a reason for her to replay thoughts of you and want to learn more. That's how attraction deepens over time. To wrap it all up, if you want a woman to miss you, it's actually quite simple. Just follow these 5 steps. Plant emotional hooks, give her a taste, and then step back. Build a life worth missing. Use strategic absence wisely and keep some mystery alive. When you do this, the guy she misses isn't the one constantly blowing up her phone or chasing after her. It's the one who knows his value, creates unforgettable moments, and steps back just enough for her to feel that void. And one last thing, if you gain value from this video, smash that like button. Your support helps me create more content like this. Also, subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on new videos. On that note, I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.